Pete. Just your average Aussie bloke. A father, a grandpa, and a husband. So come along, let me show you my Australia. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know I like trucks. Big trucks, little trucks, old trucks, new trucks. There's one thing I like better, and that's trains. And trains on trucks. How cool is this? So I turned up to work this morning and found these three beauties parked down here in Osprey Street. Now Russell's has bought these three in last night. They've been donated by Queensland Rail to the Queensland Fire Service. So they're getting dropped off at the fire training centre here at Lytton, just behind the Caltex there. So it's a few hours later, those floats have been unloaded and the carriages have been put in place around there at Queensland Fire Rescue. So the fireys can start training for an event that we hope will never actually exist. So it's why I don't mind working down here. You never know what you're going to find at the Port of Brisbane. You might even find me.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. Got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone. Free
Alright, so it's a public holiday here in Brisbane. What else do we do on a Friday? We're off to the pub. Raising a relatively large family, we were always coined Renta Crowd. So it's a public holiday here in Brisbane today. So what better thing is pub lunch. So I'm here today with most of Renta Crowd at the Monte Ale House. So that was the Monte Ale House in Monte Street at Slacks Creek. It's only a small pub, doesn't do a bad lunchtime feed. The current owner Tom has had it for about 4 years now. I think it's been there for a little bit longer than that. He's had it for about 4 years. So we're off to the Hyperdome now. Barb and I have young Remy for a few hours while Renee goes off to have a little birthday surprise.